So, another beautiful day up north. Bit of a late start because we've been planning some very top secret stuff. Today could be a very good day because I think the long awaited new Wilier is going to be turning up at the office for me. Maybe, hopefully. We're out for a quick morning spin, sun's out, good times. Yeah, we're going in a loop. Why has it been headwind the whole way?
It doesn't make sense. There'll be one one glorious bit where you just feel really fast.
Okay.
No, I literally just slabbered. Nick was saying it was like it'd gone really tough and weird because it was old. I've just recently got new gear cables because mine snapped in the middle of a ride.
It's all like bedding in and stuff, yeah.
Windy, wasn't it? I don't know about you, but my legs are knackered from yesterday. Absolutely knackered. Just got nothing left in them. They need like a week off to recover from that.
Do you think Hopper's alright?
Hopper is like, he's like, oh, I suppose I should go and do some like proper training now, isn't he? He's like,
Yeah.
he was just like, oh, that was an easy one.
So he turned the other way at the end because he was just doing another lap.
He was going out again. He was like, I can do some proper riding now. I messaged Nick a couple of times, no response.
Really?
I think he's...
Well, it's it, 4 days of recovery on his Garmin, wasn't it?
No, that was mine.
Oh, that was yours.
His is a year. Saw him share your video on Facebook and he said he would rather have his crash again than experience your ride again.
He thinks he's going to be fit again in 2 weeks or something. I like this. This is a new thing. I enjoy it. Yes.
Right, how much more are we doing?
4 minutes. We've got a massive tailwind on that comp, that segment attempt. The one I told you about the other day, where it's longer than you think it would be. It's very hotly contested.
I'm 1 second off. I'm second place, 1 second
On
off.
the QOM.
Yep.
Jesus, cannot breathe. Oh, dear
That
me.
lead out pace was
40 kph.
that was COM lead out pace. Imagine you took the COM, wouldn't that be fucking mega?
I don't know.
How do you find out?
Have to
You have to upload it.
Oh, yeah.
That was good. So basically you sit back, and then when I'm fucked, you then basically loop back around and then take up.
Yeah.
Good
The science of the QOM.
Perfect day. Ideal conditions. 13 degrees, which is perfect summer clothing weather.
Yeah. If you haven't
For
got
me.
it, skin suit will come back.
Yeah.
If you have got it, skin suit will come back. I was struggling then, and like I got to a point, it was possibly the first time I've ever ridden with you where I flicked the elbow, like legitimately flicked the elbow. It's like fucking go.
We should join a team or something.
Why don't we just make a team?
Make a team or something.
Influencers.
Wind's kind of going that way though. I don't know if it was perfect
side
conditions.
wind, wasn't it?
Yeah.
When I started the lead out, I was like, this is definitely a headwind. I was like, this is going to be horrible. But then I think the houses blocked it then, so it was all right. I'm excited.
Forget it then, that's me done. I'm going to go out on a high, sell all my bikes, start skateboarding.
Sell your
or
stake in
something.
Attacus.
Yeah.
Completed it, mate.
Yeah.
Sell Attacus, buy a
Motocross bike.
What do we do if I don't get it? You're going to have to delete all of this.
My legs are dead. D-E-A-D.
See, that was another easy spin. That was not an easy spin.
It'll take a little time for them to like...
Oh guys.
Still no.
Oh no, all time. Yeah.
You got it?
Oh my gosh.
Got it.
By 9 seconds.
That's
Megan Hopper?
That's
Is that relation to
Dave Hopper's
Dave's
daughter. They're like all really strong.
Yeah, you smashed her.
And Hopper's wife is really strong as well.
That's what he gets for beating me up that climb the other day.
350 watts
Lovely.
estimated.
KOM next.
How many people have done it?
1,400 and something.
Is it?
Yeah. That mountain of food we've been eating for the past 4 days.
Yeah.
All of the carbs. People say
1 kilo
you have
in.
to like be, restricted diets and not eating stuff to be race fit.
Nah, eat more.
You referring to yourself now as race fit?
I am race fit now, yes.
I'm not going to let you live this down. Next time you go backwards on a climb, I'm like, you fucking
Race
better get up there before me.
Yeah, you're queen of the
Just
mountains.
feed me 3 curries in a row every day and then...
And then you definitely won't ride your bike. Just be comatose on the sofa.
Right.
We've come to the seaside. We're at Druridge Bay. It's a little bit windy. Just a little bit. Glad I got my puffer.
You mother puffer.
You're a mother puffer. I look like an earthworm. So we thought we'd explore a little bit more of the local area. Not on bikes this time. We need a bit of a break after yesterday's ride. And we're about 30 miles north of Newcastle now. Shame the sun's not out, but still nice.
My mum will kill us for bringing you here.
What?
Because everyone knows about it. Because look at how empty it is at the moment. Don't come, don't come.
Are you happy with me? I lay in my bed, staring at the ceiling, trying hard to lose.
In this city.
It could still be alive. It is alive, it's moving.
Where?
It just went.
Is this one of the jellyfish that's not stingy?
No, it is stingy.
I've been stung by jellyfish in this sea before.
She had to piss on herself.
I did not piss on myself.
I think that's a myth.
Someone pissed on her. She
It
ran
is.
up to the closest person, was like, "Piss on me, please." Do you know this? That's how they make actual jelly.
He was trying to write Attacus in the sand, but he spelt it wrong.
That's why you're in charge.
You see, he wrote Attacus, and I had to go right back and write a little Attacus. You've got the U as well!
You missed out 2 letters.
I haven't. Put them back in.
I'll give you £100 if you go on swimming.
Define swimming.
You have to get in, plunge, submerge up to neck level, and do 2 breaststrokes.
£5,000. She would never pay though. She's a scoundrel for that.
Daisy said deal. Daisy will give you it.
Where are we going, Emily?
Fine, 'cause you're driving.
We're going to a wine and deli or something. That's what it says on the front. Cork wine and deli. It's some fancy thing that Jimmy's found.
You got to try new places, don't you? How do you know if something's good or not if you don't go there?
Ask people.
Well, I did ask a person. They said it was lovely.
That is the end of the video. Please give Emily a big well done in the comments for getting that QOM. I'm going to sign today's video off now. Unfortunately, the video hasn't turned up yet. Hopefully it will drop soon and I'll do a reveal of that. As always, thank you for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.